This place smells like a garden.
That is because it is one.
Mom, what is over there?
The pet section. We are not here for pets today, Sophie.
Mom, look at that bird.
Oh, that is very colorful.
Something is wrong. You do not look like a pet. It says SAAE.
What does that mean?
I know that word. We saw it at school.
In our science class, there was a poster. Cetacidae Bay. It is a family of parrots. Some of them are protected species. Are you sure about that?
I am sure. That sticker is a species identification tag. This bird should not be for sale.
Then we need to think before we do anything.
Beautiful bird, yes? Very rare color. Good luck for your home.
Where did you get this bird?
I buy from many places. Small farms, private owners. It is a legal business.
Do you have a permit for this species?
The permit papers are at my house. I bring them tomorrow if you want. Today, good price for you.
It looks tired, Mom.
You may be right about the species. We are not going to buy it, and we are not going to argue with him.
We call the right people.
Jacob, we are at the flower market. Sophie found something, and I need you to check something for us.
What happened? Is everyone okay? Tell me exactly what Sophie saw.
What happened? Did something break?
Cetacidae, protected species list. Trade without permit. Sophie is right. That species is on the protected list. Selling without a wildlife conservation permit is illegal. I am coming to you. Do not leave the market.
He looked nervous when you asked about the permit.
Mom, yes, I noticed that too.
We help by using our heads, not by breaking rules. We do not take the bird, we do not argue loudly. We give the information to people whose job is to check.
The ranger!
Copper, this is what they found. It is a protected parrot. Sophie is on the case.
I know. Very serious.
The bird has not moved. That is not normal for a healthy parrot.
How do you know?
Healthy parrots move constantly, say. They call, they climb, they explore. That bird is pressing into the corner and not responding. I remember things that matter.
Yes, you do.
Mom says Dad is almost there. Sophie found a species identification tag on the cage. This is getting serious, buddy.
15 minutes, maybe 12. Sophie was right the first time.
We are at the weekend flower market. My daughter found what appears to be a protected parrot being sold without a permit. The species tag reads
We stay calm. We do not go back to the stall. We wait for Dad and then for the ranger.
What if he tries to sell the bird before they arrive?
Then we photograph everything we can see from where we are. The cage, the tag, the stall, and give it to the ranger.
Evidence is more powerful.
The tag. Get the tag if you can.
Got it. 3 photos. I see you. It looked at me. Dad is here.
Tell me exactly what you found from the beginning.
We are things. The tag said Cetacidae. Dad confirmed the species is protected.
The ranger is coming by, maybe 30 minutes now.
You did everything right.
I can see the cage from here. I will photograph the stall sign and the awning number for the ranger.
Someone is looking at the bird.
I see it.
I know.
No, Elma, the ranger needs to hurry.
The ranger needs to hurry.
We help by using our heads, not by breaking rules. Right now, our job is to wait and watch.
I know. He did not buy it.
Good. 20 minutes more.
Update, Copper. Dad has arrived. Sophie has photos. Ranger is 20 minutes away.
Agreed. He has seen us.
Yes.
He is moving the parrot out of view.
The ranger needs to see it when they arrive.
The seller has noticed us and is moving the bird out of view. How far is your officer? 10 minutes. Understood.
10 minutes.
Huh?
Then we stay exactly here. I did not forget you. I have everything we need. This one knew to ask for the bird.
He came here for it.
He is about to sell it now.
Not yet. Stay here.
Dad is going to create time.
He is very calm.
Good morning. That cage at the top, do you ship those? Yes, sometimes. But this customer is waiting. Sir, if you can wait one moment, I just need to finish. Of course. Take your time. I am in no hurry.
Dad is stalling the seller at the stall right now. The ranger is 6 minutes away. I know, very tense.
Just a moment. This macaw right here loves attention.
He's beautiful. Mom, she is here.
I see her. You called about the protected parrot?
Yes, my name is Sophie. I have photographs of the species tag, the cage, and the stall.
This is a Psittacidae species tag from a protected classification register. Good work!
Stay with your parents. I will take it from here. Yes.
Good morning. I am Officer Ling from the Wildlife Conservation Department.
I need to inspect that cage. It is only a water bird. It is not...
The species identification tag on your cage matches a protected classification. This transaction requires a wildlife permit.
I did not know it was this serious.
Where did you get this bird?
Someone brought it to me 3 days ago. Said it was legal. I bought it. I thought it was fine.
There you are, alive. Moderate stress indicators, needs immediate care.
You did that, Sophie.
We called the right people.
You will need to give a full statement, and you should know this bird needs immediate medical care.
I thought money was easy. I made a bad choice.
Your photographs were the key evidence. Without them, this would have been his word against yours. The bird is going to the conservation center today. Would you like to bring it?
Can we?
We can.
We can.
The center will know how to help it, right?
That is exactly what they do.
Those photos made the difference, Sophie.
I almost did not take them. I was afraid he would see me.
But you did it anyway.
You can feel scared and still be brave, my girl.
Dad always says that.
She said you always say that.
I learned it from someone smarter than me.
Copper! The ranger came. Sophie's photos worked. They are going to the conservation center right now.
I know.
It smells like outside.
Welcome. We have been expecting you.
Moderate stress. Slightly dehydrated, but alive. You found it this morning?
Yes, at the market, at 8:19 this morning.
We will keep it in a quiet room first. No noise, no people, just rest. You did the right thing by not trying to take it yourself.
Can I look at it one more time before you take it in?
One moment. Then it needs quiet.
You are going to be okay now. I will not forget you. Go home, little friend. That is all we wanted for you.
Today, one small voice helped one small life.
We all helped.
The seller will be investigated. His statement will help us trace the source. Cases like this succeed when someone notices and does the right thing.
Will it go back to the wild after it recovers?
If it rehabilitates well enough, Core, yes. That is always the goal.
I hope the sky feels warm again. I think it will.
Sophie. How do you spell your last name?
Primary reporter. That is me.
You were scared today.
Yes.
But your kind heart stayed very strong.
Thank you, Officer Ling.
8:15 this morning, you were looking at flowers.
And now, a bird is going home. I want to learn more about protected species.
I think that started today.
Sophie, at what point this morning did you know for certain something was wrong?
The moment I looked at the bird and the bird looked back at me.
That sounds right. That sounds exactly right.
Copper! Let her speak! What happened? What happened?
Tell me everything!
Copper, down.
Jake, you read every text Mom sent. I have no idea what you mean. Copper, brief me.
Copper confirms the bird is safe.
How does Copper know?
Copper has been briefed all morning. He knows everything. He was very concerned about the 913 stall confrontation.
We helped, buddy.
So the seller just admitted it? Just like that?
Not at first, but the ranger had my photos.
When you have evidence, you do not need to shout. The facts do the work.
So Sophie's phone was more powerful than an argument.
Exactly. And Sophie was calm enough to use it correctly.
Did you hear that? Stay calm. Use evidence. Do not shout. Good.
What was the hardest moment? This morning.
Watching the seller start to move the cage, and knowing we had to wait. I kept thinking, if I do the wrong thing, the bird pays for it, not me.
That is a very grown-up thought.
So what actually happens to the bird now? At the center?
They assess it, hydrate it, rest it in a quiet room, rehabilitation.
And then, does it go back to the wild?
If it rehabilitates well enough, Kai, that is the goal. Scarlet, red, and yellow, and blue. That bird belongs in color.
Do you think it remembers the market? The cage?
I think it remembers something. I hope it forgets it.
A message from Officer Ling. She wants you to read it.
Bird is settling. Initial assessment positive. Healthy enough for rehabilitation program. What else? Keep reading.
Expected release to natural habitat within 6 to 8 weeks. It is going home.
6 to 8 weeks and it is back in the sky.
From 8:19 this morning to going home in 6 weeks. That is what you did today.
We all helped. Even Copper helped.
Copper provided critical emotional support and intelligence briefings throughout the operation.
A small animal can still have a very big story.
I know. I was in it.
Dad, was the seller a bad person? Or just someone who made a
Bad choice. What do you think?
He said he thought money was easy. And then he said he made a bad choice. So maybe he was someone who made a bad choice.
That is exactly right. And what did the ranger do for him?
She told him what he did wrong, and now he has to explain himself to the investigation.
Maybe the next time someone offers him a protected bird, he will remember today.
Maybe. Sophie, what time did you say you first noticed the bird?
8:19.
From 8:19 to the ranger taking the bird, that was less than 1 hour.
When you do the right thing quickly, it works quickly.
I want to be that kind of person. The kind who notices.
You already are, Jake.
It was right there. Someone just had to notice it. And today, that was me.
Go home, little friend. I hope the sky feels warm again.
Today, one small voice helped one small life return home.
And Copper helped. Copper, you were an excellent partner.
I am proud of you.
I know, Mom.
The bird did not look like a pet. It looked like something that was taken, and now it is going back.